My name is Francis Alicia, and today we're gonna open this dumpling blind box. This is how it looks like because we don't know what color is the dumpling. It says made by Alicia Tamaya. And then it only tells the rare ones, not the others, because it doesn't fit. It says rare glitter, rarer golden golden, and then the rarest is the diamond. Let's see what we get. I hope I get the glitter dumpling because that's going all over the world. Let's go open this.
Ganun. Open mo, tapos ikaw din naman gumawa niyo.
Yeah, of course. Of course I'm gonna open the things that I made. Wait,
Ang laman niya basura. Nandun yung damit mo sa taas na ano, sabi ko, yung nandun yung pantulog niya. Andun na kaya naka-tupi nga yung mga terno nun eh. Yung mga pantulog na nga dito. Madeda, pantulog na si Korto, may panagturog na grabe na sandun. Ay, oo! Grabe lang yun. Tapos, ay pinag-ano dyan.
Ay, open.
Ikaw namin, hindi ka nagsuka sa lingkok, hindi ka ganun.
Look, we also got free beads. Wait, I found something. Look, everyone. It's a mystery bag.
So naman may sagla lang.
Mommy, look. It's a mystery bag. It's a mystery bag.
Siguro ay kung ano yung nag-asawa.
Mama, look. It's a mystery bag. Let's open it together. We'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I opened it. Oh my God, I see something. I see something.
Sim pa ay may isa.
Just happened. Wow! We got the diamond dumpling. Mommy, we got the diamond dumpling.
Kurang pa isurupan na. Ano po ko na talinang na?
I got the diamond dumpling. I got the diamond dumpling. Okay, bye-bye everyone. See you next time on my next video.